You know, when I was a kid and I went abroad, maybe for the first time, I purchased a lipstick, and that lipstick was from Charlotte Tilbury. I was so amused and mesmerized by the shade, and now I have an entire collection and I feel really blessed. I think Charlotte Tilbury is an amazing brand, especially with products like their foundation, Hollywood Flawless Filter, their lipsticks, and their powder. So I thought of doing this look for you guys. It's really minimal, it's really subtle, but I've tried to use all of Charlotte Tilbury's products that I have, and I've also included skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And like I always say, let's jazz it up. I feel more than y'all, I am really excited for this video because after a really long time, I'm going to do like a full face of Charlotte Tilbury skincare and makeup. It is honestly one of my most favorite brands, but I keep trying drugstore products and other brands as well. So today with y'all, I'm going to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I've also included skincare because I think their creams and serums are like to die for. They're really amazing and the results are great. So let's start with prepping our face first. So I start by prepping my skin. I make sure it's very well moisturized and I use a serum so that my makeup application gets easier. So for that, I'm going to go ahead with Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. Like you guys can see, this one is almost over. This is actually a magic cream and it is one of the most magical products that I have used from Charlotte Tilbury. You can use it as your daily moisturizer, but if you put it before your makeup, it just acts like literally like a magic potion. Your makeup will get absorbed by your skin so beautifully. So that is actually the power of Magic Cream. So lately the weather has been changing, and whenever the weather changes, I think my skin becomes a little dry. So I'm going to go ahead and use this eye cream by Charlotte Tilbury. This will make sure that my concealer sits in really well without getting really creasy or cakey. I don't know if you guys can see, but my face already looks like, it's shining, it's glowing, it's really well nourished. Now I'm going to show you guys another product. This one is my favorite. It's their Magic Serum Elixir. I have been applying it for over a year and I think it has shown great results to my skin. My skin just looks really radiant and really nourished, and it also reduces any fine lines that you have, and it just leaves your skin really hydrated and really like plumped. And if you can see, and you guys, this smells absolutely delicious, and now I think my skin is just more than ready to start my makeup. So the kind of look that I want to create for you guys is really simple, but I want to make sure that I use all the products that I have from Charlotte Tilbury. So this one is one of my favorites. You guys must be knowing about this. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and you just apply it to the high points of your cheeks, and I like to apply it on my nose as well. So this gives your face a glow from within, and when you apply your makeup, it really illuminates and it looks absolutely perfect. And also, do you guys remember there was like a glass skin trend? So this is one of the main products you use to create that effect on your skin. So now I'm going to go ahead with their foundation. This one again is a star product. I have a video on my channel on my top 5 foundations, and this one made it. It's long lasting. It has full coverage. If you have acne and pimples, this one is safe. So let's go ahead and apply our foundation. Okay, I'm just going to take like one drop maybe, or just like two, because this is full coverage and my face doesn't need a lot of foundation. For some people, this might be a little thick, so you can always mix your moisturizer. But I genuinely feel since we've done our skin prep so well, this is going to be really easy to blend. Look at my skin. It's absorbing the foundation like butter. I am now going to take my beauty blender and just blend everything in. This is so stunning. Also, the shade that I'm using is 7 Neutral. I think this works the best for Indian skin tones. Lately, as I'm editing my videos, I'm not playing with the light. I am just editing them as it is so that you guys can see the natural color and application of the makeup, and I really hope like it's helping and working. Now, even with my concealer, I like to keep it really light. I like to take my fingers and just dab it under my eyes. The concealers are absolutely amazing. The formula is really smooth and it's really blendable. Also, it gives your under eyes a really natural coverage, and the shade range is amazing as well. If there's a breakout, that means I'm doing something that's not healthy, like I'm eating more sugar or I'm stressing. So I don't like to apply a lot of products to irritate it even more. Now that I'm done with my base and my skincare, I'm going to set it all with the most magical powder. This one, as you all know, is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. You guys, this is hands down the best setting powder that I have used. It is so fine, like it just blends into your skin. It's not too thick and it blurs out all the lines that you have, if you can see, and it gives it that beautiful matte look. Like, just look at this. Now look at my nose. It was shining and now it's just so beautifully matte, and I apply it wherever I have to. If I have to give you like a top three product review from Charlotte Tilbury, this one is definitely in the top three. So if you want to invest in a product, it's this one. The Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder is a must. This is my third one already. Now I'm going to move ahead and do my eyes, something that I love. But before that, I want to show you guys a really nice product by Charlotte Tilbury. It's something that you can invest in if you don't want to invest in a lot of products. So this one product covers a lot of things. So it's this stunning palette. It's called Instant Look in a Palette Sunset Dreamscape. 5-minute face on the go. Look express in 5 minutes. It has an eye brightener, it has an eye enhancer, it has an eyeshadow, it has a face bronzer, this has the cheek swish blush, this has their face highlighter, and a cheek pop-up. So this is amazing. So isn't this such an amazing product? Like, I use it for my blush if I don't want to invest in a full-fledged blush. So I just take this palette. So with this, I also have a bronzer, I have a blush, I have an eyeshadow, I have a highlighter. So this one's like really nice. So for the base of my eyes, I'm just going to take in their bronzer shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eye area to just give it that base color. And like you guys can see, this is like a really nice, subtle, nudish brown color. I know, these are luxury brands and these are expensive, but they're really good for your skin. Also, if you have like acne and your skin is really sensitive, so you can definitely invest in this because I know this is really good quality, or else I wouldn't have been making a video on this. Now I'm going to show you their eye product. So this looks like this, and let me give you guys a closer look of this. So this is how it looks, and it's really shimmery and glossy and shiny. This is in their iconic shade Pillow Talk, and this is basically a base that you put before your eyeshadow, and this is really illuminating and it's really glossy. Now I'm going to take in this shade and just create like a little bit of a smoky eyeshadow scene right here. I can't believe it. I just said like a smoky eyeshadow scene, but yeah, just look at the color. All of this is Pillow Talk and it just looks really stunning and very, very subtle. Also, I really need you guys to tell me whether or not y'all can see the shades, because actually I like to do my makeup like really light and really subtle. So if you guys can't see, I'll do it a little heavy, but I think ye visible ho jana chahiye. I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and just apply it to my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to go ahead with this eye enhance and just put it on top. These shades are also amazing if you have to go for wedding. I know the wedding season is here, so something like this for like a haldi look, a daytime look would be just great. Now I just want to show off my products to you guys. So I'm just going to create a look with whatever I have. So this, as you guys can see, is a dual eye pencil. This one is green and this one is like light green, and the colors are so stunning. So I'll just create like a very gentle liner with this so that you guys can just see how beautiful the color is. So I'm just going to roughly apply this green color all over and just see it is so beautiful, and take my brush and just smudge it. So I'm going to put that other end on top of this so that it just brightens it a little. Oh my god, this is so stunning. Can you guys see? Please tell me you can just see how pretty it looks right now. I'm so sorry, I'm just concentrating on my eyes, so I have no idea what I'm saying. I just know I'm saying, oh my god, how pretty it looks right now with an accent. Let me just elongate this a little, like a wing is always good. And now I'm gonna go in with their iconic mascara. This one is their legendary lashes, And this one, I actually saw Kim Kardashian using it in one of her videos, and I was like, dude, like, when I want this, when will I get it? And that time Charlotte Tilbury wasn't in India, and I had ordered a few products, but just a lipstick. So when I got my hands on this, I was like, so good. You guys should tell me in the comments, like, stop making such sounds. It's weird later when I sit to edit. Please tell me you all can see the difference between this one and this one. Like, it's actually legendary. Like, I don't apply false lashes, so this one really helps. Now I'm so sure if you've seen makeup videos, you might have seen this one. This is their contour wand, and this one is so amazing. Like, always, almost over, always apply this to the high points of your cheek. Really pretty color. Your jaw, a little bit on my nose. You know, this is so creamy and the texture is so smooth and the color is actually so subtle and so light that I can actually just blend this with my fingers. And just look at this. This blends so beautifully. It just looks like a dark color, but it is so cute and so subtle and so nice. Just blend your contour down. Whenever it comes to your jaw, you want to bend it down. Now I have a lot of blushes by Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm going to show you one of the most famous ones. This one is called Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. So this acts like a blush and a highlighter. Again, I am just going to put it on the high, oh my god, zyada laga diya, high points of my cheeks. Should I do beauty blender or should I do, chalo, let's just do a beauty blender. I'm glad because of this mess, you guys can actually see how stunning this is. All I do is pray to God that when I edit this, none of this gets edited. And now the nose, I'm just going to take it a little bit here on my chin and add color. And then just on my nose with my fingers. Sorry, I'm just mumbling. I don't want to mess this up. And see, sorted. Never get scared if you screw up with your makeup. You can always make it work. Now I'm going to take the palette back and I'm going to dip it into the blush. Can you guys see how beautifully pigmented this is? Tap off the excess. Just going to put it on top of my liquid blush. Blush blindness, like you guys can see, but it's okay. Now the only thing left to do is the lip. So this is a lip liner. It's called their lip cheat. So this actually acts like a lip filler. It's also called their lip injection. And I'm just going to very subtly, I don't overline, but I just like to fill my lips with a lip liner first and then apply a lipstick. Always like a brown lip liner for me. You guys can see like the lips already look fuller. I think we should just do pillow talk. I think pillow talk is just gonna mix with this so well. And you know, when you look at Pillow Talk, you know why this is such an iconic product, why this is such an iconic shade. I mean, it just adds up to the entire look. It just brings it a notch down, but yet it is so sexy and it's so minimally nude. Like, it's just beautiful. And I also actually happen to have a Pillow Talk gloss, so I'm going to apply that for you guys as well. So this is a sheer gloss, and this is also in the shade Pillow Talk. This makes my lips look even fuller. And so, my loves, this is the final video. I hope this helped you all. If you all were looking to purchase any Charlotte Tilbury products, I hope I've covered them in the video. Please let me know in the comments what you all thought of the tutorial. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Let me know if you all want to recommend any other product to me. I love you guys, and coming back with so many videos like you have no idea. I love you all and see you all super soon.